Hello, everyone. Welcome to another podcast episode. I'm Roel, host of A Few Steps Ahead, who's learning from moms who's few steps ahead of me in love, faith, and family life.
Hello, my name is Andrea, and I'm the host of Ina Jam podcast, where we tell real stories of people who are building businesses in spite of the mess.
And we are here to talk about this topic, relatables, working from home parents like me and Andrea. So this is about dopamine and its role. So what is dopamine? I just read a book from Kindle, and the author, it's Thibaut Maurice, if I am saying it correctly. But he's explaining about dopamine, and I just realized na too much usage or over censoring, like what I do in reading emails, for example. I keep on opening emails after emails,
Aren't we all
until
guilty, Rowan?
and at some point, it's like just scrolling down, trying to go email after email. Then I just realized and nothing has been finished or achieved at that time. So what's really dopamine? It will help us to know or define dopamine, what's the problem, and the benefits of a dopamine detox.
Naririnig ko yan, dopamine, I don't know if it's a hormone, a brain chemical, but ngayon ko lang narinig, or maybe I'm not that aware of dopamine detox. So what does the book advocate?
Dopamine is a neurotransmitter in our brain that plays a major role in motivation, pleasure, and reward. It helps reinforce habits and drive us to seek out enjoyable activities. So hindi siya masama. And for us, working from home parents, we needed this, diba? And to work, to earn, to take care of our families, of course, in a balanced way. Here it is. Here's the problem now. When we overload our brains with constant dopamine hits from endless notifications, social media, junk food, and instant gratification, this flood can desensitize our brain, leading to lower motivation and constantly chasing more stimulation to feel good. So, I don't know if you experienced this, Andrea, when I finish all the emails and hindi ako na-satisfy sa mga content because the purpose of me reading emails, especially as a dad who wants to provide for a family, is to look for greener pasture. I don't know if you can relate with me. And of course, there are lots of things, including YouTube, watching videos after videos. So dopamine detox, it's stepping away from overstimulating activities to reset our brain reward system. And it can help increase focus, boost motivation, improve mental clarity, and help you find joy in simpler, healthier activities. May dalawang ways. You can choose 24 hours or 48 hours. What do you think about that?
Okay, so doon sa explanation mo on dopamine detox or dopamine muna. Punta muna tayo sa dopamine. So, yung nare-receive natin, and just because the nature of our job and the nature of technology now is constant notification, meron ka sa cellphone mo, meron ka sa laptop mo, ang daming, kumbaga bombarded ka with so many information, lahat ng notifications, even your friends and family can reach you anytime by just texting, sending you a PM, or even calling you sa cellphone, minsan FaceTime. So, ang daming dopamine hits. So, ikaw, imbis na ma-motivate, which is one role that dopamine plays, na-overwhelm na brain mo. So, that's what I'm getting from your explanation. And nung kinukwento mo yung dopamine and its role is as a Facebook ads specialist, every time may makukuha na lead from one of my ads, dopamine hitting. So again, it will motivate me to work harder, optimize the ads, strategize pa more. So the more leads makukuha, dopamine hit. Yun yung good side nun, benefit. But then kung it tends to overstimulate you and then parang opposite naman yung effect niya, which is pagod ka na, desensitized ka na, overwhelmed. Dopamine detox na sinasabi mo, that is, I think, good. Pero ano yung ibig sabihin ng 24 or 48-hour dopamine detox? Like, is it turning off your devices? Like, ano ang concrete step ng dopamine detox?
When it comes to the way, the author is encouraging to intentionally, yes, absolutely, step away, move away your device. So you start 24 hours, and then you start to live like without cell phone or social media. And I think we need to be intentional as a parent. Apart from that, syempre, meron siyang in-encourage na pamamaraan in their orientation in Buddhist, which we know Yeah, as a Catholic, we also have that. And have you ever found yourself joining a retreat? You have to leave the device somewhere and just go attend whole day, two
Well,
days.
so far, since we moved here, hindi pa ako naka-attend ng ganyan. Pero I've been hearing may silent retreat. Kasi even our parish priest was talking about it. Silent retreat. Struggle din
Mm.
daw. Para ko dito, it's so boring. It's so quiet. But the purpose of that is really, on a spiritual and religious perspective, is really just to listen to the message of the Lord and just quiet yourself and just be in the presence, diba? Envelope yourself with God's love. Sa akin, the dopamine detox, not really detox, pero at the end of every night, I try to automatic siya. Pagdating ng 9 p.m., do not disturb na siya. Sleep mode. Pag Facebook or Instagram, nakaka-appreciate. So, yung parang dopamine detox ko every night. Yung do not disturb ko hanggang the next day na yon ng mga 8 o'clock na umaga. So that kahit na sa yung messages, PM, emails, yes. Ikaw, meron ka
Nice.
bang like practical application sa'yo na ano yung day-to-day ginagawa mo to detox from all the notifications?
Yeah, first off, I appreciate you sharing that, and I saw that my wife as well. I see that. But that particular step, hindi ko siya ginagawa. May understanding na din ako is yung blue light from devices,
Mm.
nakakagising talaga siya. Which is, I think, totoo. 'Di ba? Yung inaantok na ako, for example, then pagka may nag-notify, talagang magigising ako. Kasi night shift ako, 'di ba? Ako ng call, for example, naka-hold lang ako sa next person na makaka. So, that's really I understand na, oh, it really works that way talaga. If I have enough sleep at that day, it suffice to stay awake on a shift. Not unless, syempre, yung kulang talaga sa tulog. Pag kulang talaga yung tulog ko 4 hours lang. Kahit, so, ayun. And yung particular in a day, since totally,
Oh,
so wala, so wala talaga. Yun talaga, then I'll go start with rosary. So, yun
mhm.
na, afternoon. And rosary, it's like me just, uttering the mysteries of the Lord and with the Blessed Mother. That ends my day.
Yeah. Very na-curious ako, like what made you interested to pick up this book about dopamine detox? Or na-curious ka lang? Or alam mo na siya and pagod ka na sa endless scrolling and notifications?
Yes, so of course, you at that time, I had so many overusage, hindi lang na social media,
Mhm.
90s, mga 90s, walang social media, di ba? Walang, oh yes, may internet feed niya once it introduced 2000, early 2000, late 2000, na-introduce na yung mga, napabilis na talaga yung information, di ba? So, sumabay din yung overusage ng, when it comes to job, that's job itself. And that's okay because we provide for our families. Yeah. But when it comes to personal usage, to the point it affects my life morally. So I'm talking about men's struggle, diba? That's one. Then as a parent, when it affects your relationship with your child, where that's why I pick up that book, diba?
Mhm.
And yeah, thankfully it helped. Yung sinasabi ko sa pagbunot ng wifi, going for rosary before going to bed, that helped me.
Ito real talk. Ano ang app?
We want ideal, we want to be good in everything. So YouTube provides that. Yes, yeah.
Sa akin, it's either Facebook or Instagram. Kasi pag sa
Mm,
Instagram naman, di ba, it's built. Ay, mukhang interesting din to. Scroll ka na about showbiz, the latest gossip.
that's true. They want the person behind that. They really understand the psychology, how to
So,
engage.
so may notice ka ba nung sa dopamine detox sa ginagawa mo? Although hindi siya yung parang hardcore naman na detox, 24 hours or 48 hours, no? Pero yung mga small,
Mm.
simplified detox, may napansin ka ba na changes sa'yo, sa relationship, family nyo, like, very tangible agad, like impact?
I can leave a house without a phone. For pag day off, so I can reach 24 hours maximum siguro. It's just for
Okay.
me, for my wife to call me pag may kailangan bilhin, may
Mhm.
nakalimutan. So 24 hours maximum. And of course, it's anytime talking to my kids, to my wife without any interruption on my end. Kaya nga, biglang, ay sorry daddy mo, pag ganun yung wife ko. Ay sorry daddy, kinakausap mo ba ako? So, yun yung one of the example. Ako siguro, very seldom na may ganun ako na my wife have to, same with my kids. More on work talaga, work time na nasa laptop ako,
Yes.
then they need something. But smartphone,
Oh,
parang
that's
wala akong
good.
maalala.
That's good. At least built in na, di ba, phone ko. So, and then, at the end of the day, minsan na-realize ko, which is, this is a good thing, minsan lang Facebook, or never pa pala ako nag-reply sa messages. It's, iba yung, feeling, parang, as opposed to, laging may notification, how can parents, in general, or those working from home, can start a simple dopamine detox?
Yeah, good question. As what you've shared, that's one of the way, as I also saw it from my wife, to set up a do not disturb features that helps.
Yes.
You
At
have to,
nai-insert naman yung feature na meron kang certain contacts that will override do not disturb in case of emergency. So,
mm,
syempre, yung family ko and kids ko, nandun yun lang. So, para clarification.
nice to share. Yung
Mm.
ideally, I would understand that most of people mahihirapan na it doesn't mo. I think that's pretty enough. It's just that, ako lang talaga social media. Social media more on,
Business posts pa.
business post pa. I'm trying to fit in myself sharing my whereabouts. Yes, before, but not at the point of my life.
Oh, correct. Yes. Same. So, actual book that
Yes,
you can show our
Dopamine
listeners.
Detox, a short guide to eliminate distractions and train your brain to do hard things by Thibaut Maurice.
So, if they want to grab a copy of that, that's the book. Okay.
Mm.
Mahanap if they want to learn more from you or learn more about it.
Yes, of course. I'm available in Facebook, in public profile, Roel J. Lina. How about you, Andrea?
If you like our stories ni Roel, follow us sa Spotify. We have our previous episodes there. And you can also check my blog, andreavchu.com. And I also share some systems there that can help you make work from home easier. Thanks,
Great.
Roel.
Thank you so much. So see you on next episode, guys. I'm Roel Jolina, few steps ahead host.
And I'm Andrea in a Jam podcast.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.